everyone's balls. This time, follow this ball, okay? So, everyone, grab your ball. You're going to follow me, okay? You're going to run round following me, okay? Round the cone. Follow me then, follow me. Hold on to your balls. Don't touch the cone. And again, round, and then back to the beginning. How was that? Was that easy? Yeah? Oh, make it harder then for Galaxy Trek. Jump! Hold on to your balls. There you go. Bit of balance. Around the cones then. Do you reckon you can do it this time on your own without following me? There you go.